Hello there. There's plenty of fair weather on the way for the British Isles in the next few days, even on into next week, but it is going to turn increasingly chilly. Today we've had a weather front in the east. This line of cloud you see here has been bringing some patchy outbreaks of rain and drizzle, and a little bit more to come out of that, I think, through this evening and overnight tonight. The cloud helping, though, to hold the temperatures up. A few spots dipping down to around freezing, but essentially most spots a couple of degrees above. It's further north and west with clearer skies and lighter winds. We're looking at overnight lows around -2 or -3. That weather front, though, a very short-lived affair in the east because high pressure all the while is going to be eroding it through the next 24 hours. Here you see its remnants on Tuesday. By Wednesday, it's practically gone, just a legacy of cloud. High pressure coming to dominate, and it will do so now for at least the next 10 days. More on the effects it's going to have in just a moment. For Wednesday, basically, though, it's bringing us a largely fine day. Still some cloud left over from that weather front feeding into England and Wales, perhaps the odd spot of drizzle. But most areas getting some brightness. Already starting to feel a little bit cooler, though, than it has done today, with highs of 7 or 8 degrees. For Thursday, again, the high pressure very much doing its job, holding these weather fronts at bay out in the Atlantic, bringing a lot of fine weather. There will be some patchy cloud around. Perhaps the biggest change for Thursday will be the easterly wind starting to strengthen. Just 4 degrees in Norwich on Thursday. Add on the effect of the wind and it will feel considerably colder. But that wind will really come into play by the time we get into the weekend and next week. Notice the easterly remains strong for London and Cardiff for both Friday and Saturday. Sunny spells, though, widely across the British Isles thanks to this high. The centre across Scandinavia by Saturday. A fine weekend to come for us, but the air coming our way, feeding round the bottom of this high, comes all the way from Siberia. Cold enough at any time of year, but particularly so at the moment. That cold air really starting to push across the British Isles come Monday and Tuesday. And my goodness, we will feel it. For next week, a lot of fine weather. There should still be some decent sunshine around, but widespread frost, and that wind will be especially raw.